YouTube? Eric DIY here with another instructional video for you. Today we're going to learn how to switch out the battery in your remote for your car to unlock and lock it. Basically, the battery has run out in my key here. If we push unlock, the little light that would light up is right here. You can see there's no red light. I can't lock it. I can't do anything. This is a pretty easy fix. This is a key for the Honda CR-V right here. And if we just flip to the back of the Honda logo, they have a little screw. So somewhere on your keys, there's either going to be a screw or you're going to have this little pry part right here, like right here. And you're going to pry right in there. But we're going to take the screw off first on this one. So make sure you look for any screws and also look for pry points like that. You're also going to need a mini screwdriver of some sort to take out any screws. So I'm going to start with this one screw that I have to take out, lefty-loosey. And don't lose the screw because that's what keeps it securely together. All right, next step is to pry it out. And again, a lot of keys will have a little pry spot. Better to use a flat head than a Phillips head, which is what I had. So I'm gonna flip that around. I'm gonna just carefully pry it up. There you go. Don't give it a lot of force, just a little bit. Here we go. And I left my keys together, so there's no need to take it off there as long as you can pry off the back. If you notice, when I open this up, the battery's right here. Your battery might be slightly different for your remote, but this one takes a CR1620 for this Honda CR-V right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our flathead once again. We're gonna pry out the battery right here. And just remember which one is positive, which is the top side, and the negative, which is the bottom side. The positive went down, so we're gonna have to place the new battery in the same way. I have the new battery here. Again, the top side is positive, the bottom side is negative. On this, we just replace it the same way. Positive points down. I'm gonna push it down there until it's locked in place. And then if you notice, the other connectors for the battery that go on the negative side are right there. So we just squash this together. This right here is weather stripping. This keeps water out of your key. So just make sure that that is in the right place. And we're just gonna snap it back by placing it on top, lined up, and push down on all sides until it snaps in place. Finally, the last step is to take the little screw, put it back in the hole, and screw it back in righty-tighty. Then we're going to test the key really fast. If we push lock, you see I have a red light again. Unlock is right there. And you could also push and hold the security button if you really want to when you get out to the car to make sure it works. But as long as it has a red light, it's probably working. No reprogramming is needed on this key. On some keys, I don't know if you need programming or not. I would just say switch the battery out as fast as you can, because usually there's some residual power in there that keeps it all in there on some keys. But on the Honda CR-V, I've never had a problem. Take the battery out, put one right in, and it works just like normal. And there's my Honda CR-V called the Grey Goose. We're just going to test the key one more time. Lock. See that it locks? Unlock. So you can see that no programming is needed when inserting batteries back in here. And that's how you swap out the battery in a key remote for your vehicle, specifically for this Honda CR-V. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate everything you do for us. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.